welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you to one of Bali's most stunning hidden gems, Nusa Lembongan. If you're dreaming of turquoise waters, epic sunsets, and a laid-back island vibe, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Nusa Lembongan is a small island located southeast of Bali, just a 30-minute speedboat ride away. It's part of the Nusa Penida archipelago, and trust me, it's a slice of paradise. Whether you're a surfer, a diver, or just someone looking to relax, this island has something for everyone. One of the highlights of Nusa Lembongan is its incredible marine life. The island is surrounded by coral reefs, making it a hotspot for snorkeling and diving. Right now, I'm at Mangrove Point, and look at this. The water is so clear, and the coral is absolutely breathtaking. Getting around the island is super easy. You can rent a scooter for just a few dollars a day and explore at your own pace. The roads are quiet, and the views absolutely unreal. Okay, you have to check out Devil's Tear. This place is insane. The waves crash against the cliffs, creating these massive sprays of water. It's like nature's own water show, but be careful. The rocks can be slippery. After all that exploring, it's time to chill. Nusa Lembongan is all about slowing down and enjoying the moment. Grab a fresh coconut, kick back, and take in the view. Life doesn't get much better than this. As the day winds down, make sure you catch the sunset. Dream Beach is one of the best spots on the island to watch the sky turn shades of pink and orange. It's pure magic. Alright guys, that's a wrap on Nusa Lembongan. If you're planning a trip to Bali, don't skip this incredible island. It's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. And trust me, you'll leave feeling refreshed and inspired. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.